time we got to know that there is HIV around was 9 years ago.
ARVs.
Yeah, it's about 9 years. Yeah.
And immediately I started taking the drugs. Within 1 month, I changed. 1 month.
Yeah.
Oh, I changed. I can do everything. I can eat. I can sleep. And within 3 months, you can't even recognize me. So seems me, Lydia, though we have everyone with her immune system, but to me, Lydia, since I start taking the drugs,
You're
it's
fine.
amazing.
Yeah.
A lot of people, there is a shortage at time.
Sometimes.
It's a challenge to our life, especially.
So you would want the ARVs to be produced
Yes,
massively in
yes,
Ghana, like
yes.
the president is advocating.
Yes.
Exactly.
So we are appealing to the president that should make it faster than the way they are doing
Well,
it.
he's made
Because-
some monies available in the
Yeah,
budget.
exactly.
Yeah.
Because sometimes if it's a shortage in Ghana, we go for the company who manufacture for us now. We go for his drugs, and
Danada.
yes, it's amazing. It's good for us. Some of us even like that one more than the one they brought from the outside. So since I start taking the drugs, I don't have any challenge.
Okay, I have to wrap up, unfortunately. But your story is so interesting. Tell me about some of the stigmas that you have encountered, and how do we change our mindsets?
Thank you. To fight HIV in Ghana, we should be more focused on the stigma side. Because when we eliminate stigma, I'm telling you, everybody will come on board. You'll be surprised the day stigma is finally eliminated. People will wake up and say, oh, I'm HIV positive. Your mother will tell you, I'm HIV. Hey, today in Ghana, there are a lot of couples that one is positive. The husband or the wife do not know. And it's a secret. When this issue comes to our office, how to disclose? Because now there's a policy when you are pregnant, the pregnant woman is tested.
Exactly.
And if it is positive, how does he disclose to the husband at home?
And you
A
can't
lot-
force her to do it.
Yes, and a lot of women will tell you they will not say it. Because they are afraid when they tell their husband the reactions, and therefore they will keep it quietly. They will take the antiretroviral and they will give birth, and up to date the husband don't know that my wife is positive. It's because of stigma.
Okay.
We in our campaign we go to some regions. Someone was HIV positive. You'll be surprised. He was not allowed to visit a public toilet. Just a public toilet.
Ridiculous.
He says when he visited, he will infect them. Now this young girl decided to visit the free range, the bush, and now the boys in the area got to know that he was doing it in the bush, and they caught him to the palace. And the chiefs and the people say, hey, we are now defecating in the bush. That is where we plant our yams and our okros.
She'll
Now,
infect the yams with the
HIV will enter into the yam, and when we eat, you can't imagine.
This is so funny.
And it is
Seriously.
happening in Ghana. It's happening
In
Ghana.
2014.
Yes.
Okay, you know what, Reverend and Mrs. Azuma,
Yes.
can you come back tomorrow?
No problem.
No
Tomorrow.
problem, right?
Time.
Say yes. Say time. So I can make 30 minutes available to you too. Say yes.
Madam will come.
Oh no, I want you here as well.
Come.
Okay, how about next week?
Fine. Next week.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Tomorrow is Wednesday. That is why we have pastors
Yes.
meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, so next week,
yeah.
Tuesday.
Very is well. Next week Tuesday.
Bless you. I'm very proud of you.
Thank
very,
you.
very proud of you.
Thank you.
And I mean, the four of us,
Yes.
you know, Amma, Sandra, Benny, myself, anytime you're going on your campaign, wherever you're going,
Yeah.
if you want any of us to come with you, we are willing
Thank
and
you.
able.
Thank you. We'll invite you.
Thank you
We need
very
more
much.
of you to be part of the campaign.
Of course.
Yes.
We will make time.
Thank you.
So next week, Tuesday, we have a date, right?
Exactly.
I don't need to call to confirm.
No.
You can even call. You can call.
Thank you very much, Reverend and Mrs. Azuma. They've been living with HIV for 13 years, and look at them. Very healthy. Nothing suggests they have HIV. Really, it's just like any viral, like any other viral, like a
Yeah.
cold,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
Coming up, we have more on New Day.